It
Welcome to the world of
extreme
extreme
heavy
force,
machinery,
metal
where
bends
raw
and
power
breaks
meets
beneath its
precision.
tracks in a
From
show of
earth-shaking
pure
races
crushing
to
power.
jaw-dropping demolitions and oversized transports, witness machines that dominate every challenge in their path. Buckle up, because what you're about to see will blow your mind. Watch as a massive bulldozer with hundreds of horsepower tears through an illegal mountain bike trail. Its power is unmatched, crushing everything in its way within seconds. In a shocking moment, a 6,000 horsepower train derails at full speed. As it loses control, the scene turns into pure chaos. Metal, sparks, and force colliding in dramatic fashion. A powerful plane is transported by a monster truck with a 15,000 horsepower engine. It roars down the road like a storm, capturing everyone's attention with its size and speed. In the Czech Republic, Schwar transport trucks use advanced tech and 1,500 horsepower engines to carry massive wind turbine components. These oversized loads race down highways, showcasing engineering mastery. When a 600 horsepower truck tries to turn on a narrow road, things quickly go wrong. It loses control, triggering a dangerous situation that puts everyone on edge. Heavy-duty trucks with 2,000 horsepower engines charge through rugged terrain in Sapulpa. These giants shake the ground with every move, a powerful display of strength and precision. A mega transport departs Tucson Port. The truck, powered by a 1,500 horsepower engine, hauls a 427,000 pounds transformer with ease. The wheels grip the ground firmly as it moves through the city. Experience an industrial marvel, a 1,640,000 pounds oil separator on the road, pulled by a 2,500 horsepower engine. Heading to Heartland Prochemical Complex. It's more than transport, it's a statement of progress. With a mind-blowing 20,000 horsepower engine, the Ichigo Yanazawa Eco Blade makes its journey on a multi-axle dolly. Despite the massive size, the movement is smooth and steady, power in perfect control. Down in the quarry, the Komatsu D375A8 and Volvo EC750E each with 500 horsepower, crush through solid rock like it's nothing. It's heavy excavation at its best. A giant truck fitted with a 1,800 horsepower engine carries a 39.5 meter steel beam. Despite the size and weight, it glides effortlessly across roads, pulling a load that seems impossible. Watch the Caterpillar D11 go to work, with 850 horsepower and massive gears. The LRPR-01G975E is built to take on the toughest materials. Its high-powered engine and performance design make it ideal for quarry mining, breaking through stone with ease. In one of the most extreme scenes, giant excavators and hydraulic presses destroy entire cars from top brands. The machines rip them into pieces, preparing them for recycling with maximum efficiency.